Most rear-ended victims ignore this, but they shouldn't. Most victims of rear-ended car accidents ignore something that could cost them thousands and even their long-term health. If you are in a rear-end accident, you need to hear this. A rear-ended accident often leads to injuries that do not show up symptoms right away, like whiplash, soft tissue damage, or even spinal issues. Many victims brush off their pain thinking it's minor, only to realize days or weeks later that their injury is much worse. After any rear-ended collision, you must seek medical attention. Even though you feel fine, medical documentation is crucial for diagnosing hidden injuries and building a strong claim for compensation. Another big mistake: speaking to insurance company without legal advice. Adjusters often pressure victim into quick, low settlement that do not cover the true cost of their injury. Do not let that happen to you. Number 1. Document everything. Photos of the accident scene, vehicle damage and injuries. Number 2. Seek medical attention immediately and follow up on all the treatment. Number 3. Contact an experienced injury lawyer to handle your case and negotiate with the insurance company on your behalf. At Solution Law, we specialize in rear-end accident cases. We have helped countless clients get the compensation they deserve for medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. We are here to fight for you too. If you have been in a rear-end accident, do not ignore the signs. Call Solution Law today for a free consultation. We will make sure you get the compensation and care you deserve.